is running fast, and so are we. Everybody is working hard to win. In this race to achieve maximum, we forget our real self. In today's lifestyle, many of us lead stressful lives and feel the effects of it every single day. We put excess strain on our body by doing more than our body can do. There is no time to relax. In 21st century, we have much more festivities and modernization than our past. Even then, we are getting more stressed. It is not hard to understand that there is something wrong in the way we are living our lives. Our mind is in constant pressure as we are not giving it much needed relaxation situations. Whenever we are out of work, we make ourselves busy with watching televisions or our mobiles. Our power of thinking or remembering things declines. Even students are feeling pressure in their studies. They all want to score high in exams and bring more and more percentage to get admissions in better universities and colleges. Here, everyone is trying to bring maximum output from their daily routine, which is having a negative effect on their body and mind. And when they are not able to achieve desired results, they suffer with anxiety and stress. Stress releases hormones called adrenaline, which affects a lot of different parts of body. It affects adversely on brain, metabolism, immune system, and also affects on blood pressure. This state of mind takes the person affected into severe depression and anxiety. It's no surprise that we hear more and more people suffering from heart disease, strokes, cancer, diabetes, and lifestyle ailments. But have you ever thought of what stress actually is and how it arises? Often, our priorities are mixed up. Many of us think that money is most important thing in our lives. But this is not true. There is another most important thing in our life without which we cannot even live. What is it? Yes, it is our own breath. Our breath is most precious substance in our lives. Now just think the power that created us has given us enough breath to last as long as we shall live. Can we not just trust that everything we shall need will also be supplied? When we trust life to take care of us and all our little problems, then stress just melts away. You do not have to waste time on negative thinking or emotions, because that only creates more of what you say you don't want. If you are doing some positive affirmations and you are not getting the results you want, then check yourself that how many times during the day you feel sad and be upset. These emotions are probably frustrating you. Next time you feel this way, ask yourself, what is scaring you? They are just your thoughts, nothing more. We all have to accept that every moment passing is creating our life by our own choices. So first of all, we have to choose to be happy. Recent researches and study shows that we can control our thoughts by mindful yoga and meditation. Being mindful means you accept every moment as it is. So do some yoga and take mindful breath, and everything is going to be okay. You will experience that after spending some time in meditation, your mind is so balanced and focused that you are able to achieve your goals in given time. It also has good impact on relationships as you become more calmer. With regular practice of meditation, you will have better understanding towards life, which results in overall happiness and success. Learning of right meditation is necessary element here. So that's where Being Divine can help. Being Divine has few powerful courses which are backed up with right element of yoga and strong sadhanas. Whatever course you choose, you will experience real method of sadhana in all days of each workshops with Being Divine.